Ah, sketchy! Ha! Yo, what's up guys? We are back at it. We are in the Tonto National Forest, and this is the beautiful Apache Trail. Take a look at this. We got the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. We got the best road in all of Arizona. Let's go take a look. Look at this. It swoops all the way into the mountains. It's like the tail of the dragon, but west of the Mississippi. Look at all these roads. They're tight, second gear turns. So you better hold on and clench while you're making this ride. But it is a fun one, right into the Superstition Mountains. Let's get it. We got bikers, yo! We have got bikers on this road. I'm heading on the Apache Trail into the Superstition Mountains. When you've got riders, you know you're on the right road. Just saw 5 of them, and they gave me the signal, which is always a good sign. So, this is where the Lost Dutchman's gold is supposedly hiding. Alright, 25 miles from the base. Oh, look at that little town, that's cool. 25 minutes to deep into the Superstitions, and then at the town of Tortilla Flats is where the road becomes unpaved. So, that is 12 miles from now. I'm gonna head to Tortilla Flats, eat myself some Tortilla Flats, and then turn around, ride it back without talking, and I'll just have exhaust sound. You can listen to that. Tonto National Forest, that's what I'm talking about. Dude, the Apache Trail, whoa, it gets crazy up there. Looks like second gear turns up there. Oh, don't do it, Bobby. Don't do it, Bobby. Super Flay, Bobby Chef, what's his name? Super Chef Bobby Flay. Apache Trail, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, Tonto! This road is crazy up here. Tonto! Let's see. Oh, some benders. Keep it in third for this part here. Whoa, I have to go down to second. These are tighty whiteys. Second it is. Whoa, those are tight. Haha. Dude, I gotta pull in the clutch for this one. Oh, it's nice. Pull in the clutch for that one. I don't like that. It's too tight. These are too tight. Let's say, whoa. Second gear. Second gear turns, tail of the dragon. Wowzer. Well, that's a nice cacti. That's a nice cacti. Dude, some nice pullouts here. There's also a good road. Whoa, I have to take that second gear all day. Back at the tail. Wow. These are some sneakies we got here. What the hell? This road's crazy. This road's crazy. It's bonkers. Whoa, knee draggers all day. Yikes. Good job, Apaches. Whoa, hit it. Hit it. We got some, whoa, closing gradients. This one's really testing your boa here. Whoa, hold on to your butts. Stay in the lines, you idiot. Oh, stay in it, stay in it. Ah! Yeesh. Where are they going? Hold on, there's one. Some good pullouts. Pullout game strong. This place is second gear switchbacks city. Jesus criminy. Woo! Hold on. Ripping it in. I'll flick the bean. Flick it. Come through. Oh, nice. Dude. I'm gonna have to pull over and get some drone shots around here. Oh, Jesus. That's nice. Flick the bean. Second and third gear all day. sir, bumpy. Hold on, tuck it in. Whoa, baby. Whoa, we got some views here. Hold up, I might have to pull over here for a second. Oh no, they C-blocked the whole view. Oh, that would have been a good one. I wanted that view. Took it from me. Who is this person? Is this the ancient god of the mountain? It's the god of the mountain. Whoa. It's over here. Whoa, baby boy, hold on to your hips. Ooh, use the track. Use the track. What the hell? Whoa, baby. Second. Oh, slow it down, baby boy. Slow it down. Use it. Yes. Awesome. Some road debris. Ow. Apache trail indeed. We weren't lying here. We're gonna use the track. Get that knee out. Oh, decreasing gradient. Decreasers are us. Decreasers are us. Hold on. Hold me, JJ. Whoa, butt clenching. Butt clenching. I hit the brake. I braked. We'll edit that out. We'll have to edit that out. This road's nuts. Oh, going downhill. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, yes. Give it to me. Jackie again. Loser. Sorry, I sound like a damn fool. I'm using all my fuckus right now. Hold on. Oh. Switcheroonies. Riding the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe right now. The bike can do much better than I can do. I give it that much. Oh man. Just ripping in second the whole way. Whoa, baby. Yikes. Back down to second. Max revs. Whoa. This road is pip. Didn't realize it was gonna be like this. Freaking spaghetti strands are us. Wowzer. Going down to second. Maximize revs. Lean in. Whoa, hit the apex. Oh, baby. Arms are sore. Arms are getting taxed right now from leaning. Oh, baby. That is the view. Oh, I gotta stop. I gotta stop right there. Woo! That is the view. Hold up. Avanti la mano. Boats, baby, boats. Second gear, baby. Second gear all day. I do like second gear on this bike. It sounds fantastic. But I don't like these decreasing radius downhill second gears. Thank God I'm not behind those guys. Oh, nice pull out. Whoa, good view. Mine was better. Thank you, Apache gods. Thank you, Apache people, for this beautiful. Whoa, what was that? A butterfly. Butterfly. it! Thanks for the warning, motherfucker. Sometimes they're real bad with the road signs. Whoa! Lake Akina! This is beautiful. What does this say? Tonto National Forest Recreation Canyon Lake! Whoa! Hold on, I cooked it. I wasn't looking, I was reading the sign. Whoa! Let's see. We'll edit that out. 15er. Dab of brakes! Sometimes you just say, whoa! It's a tight one. Whoa! This is the view here. Who knows there's a random lake in the middle of the freaking desert? Look at that! This road requires focus. Lots of focus. I'm going 15. I'm going real slow around these turns. Whoa! Ease it in there, partner. Whoa! Ease it in! Ease it in! This ain't the place to show off. Oh, little bridge over River Kwai. Ease it in, baby boy. Just roll on, it's gentle. Oh, it's nice. Let the road guide you. Oh, look at this. It's like the bridge in Initial D for the finish of Hirohazuka. Whoa! Ah, sketchy! Ha! This road's nuts. Whoa, my boy did it! He did it on the turn. He wanted to fucking do it on the turn. He's crazy. He's in a Grom. He was in a Grom. Oh, get the revs up. Gentle. My boy was flying back there. This guy's a legend of the streets. Whoa, going down again. Watch this. Super inside, outside, inertia drift. It's the famous Takumi inertia drift. There it is. Yeah, right. Whoa! Outside, inside. Got the apex. I'm going so slow. Ah! There they are, my boys. There's my boys. There's more of my... Hello. Oh, yes. Where are we? Apaches are crazy. What is Acai Bowl? Acai Bowl! This is where they originated. On that corner. Whoa. Lower down here. We're almost there. Focus, Wesley. Don't lose your focus. Do not lose focus. One lane bridge. These roads are crazy. How is there water out here? What's going on? This is nice. Oh, one lane bridge. Let's hear the vibrations. Well, I'm scared. I don't know how to swim. Ah! Oh, this is not bad. The last one sucked. Engage. Oh, nervous. Canyon Lake. Tonto National Forest is my spout. No, it's not actually. Whoa, Tonto. This road is majestic. It's a real clencher. Tests your willpower. Oh my goodness, that guy's in a big old freaking Harley. Laguna Seca. Almost there. Tortilla Flats. 5 minutes. Wow, that was a good ride. We'll ride it back in a minute. And then I will bid you adieu. This road would suck to be in. Driving in a car, you get a headache probably. If I was in a car, I'd get motion sickness. Because you know when you're turning, your body's going the opposite direction, whereas in a bike you're leaning with it. Whoa, some good roads here. I might have to wait a second for my boy to give him some space here so I can enjoy this tarmac. He's kind of C-blocking me hard. Let me go slow. Konnichiwa. Whoa! Wowzers! Use the whole lane. Oh yeah, that's it. Freaking Arizona's crazy. Whoa! Hit the bump. Hit the bump. Jesus, what mountain is this? Are these the superstitions? They are superstitious indeed. The Dutchman had to have hidden his gold up here. It's a majestic road. He had to have. It only makes sense that the treasure lies atop this mountain, glowing in a big chest. When you open it, it goes da na na na, like Ocarina of Time. Da na na na. Oh man, that road's crazy. This road is nuts. What the hell? Look at this view. Woo! Yeah, how is there a lake in the middle? Make no sense. There it is. Tortilla Flats, little town. I made it to Tortilla Flats. I'm gonna pull over, flip around, and we will get to where the getting's good on the return ride. Oh, bumpy! Ah!